Updating your primary email on DoorDash is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and secure. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device or visit the DoorDash website on your computer. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your DoorDash account. If you're already logged in, proceed to the next step. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the Account Settings section. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or selecting the menu option. Step 4. Select Email Preferences. Look for the option labeled Email or Email Preferences. Click on it to view your current email address and the option to update it. Step 5. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the provided field. Make sure to save the changes and check your new email for a confirmation link to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on DoorDash will be updated. Regularly check your email settings to ensure everything is accurate.